The washing machine stopped working again.
Not again! We just repaired it last month.
It's making a strange noise.
Let me check it. Did you try restarting it?
Yes, but it didn't help.
I'll unplug it first.
Be careful.
I'll open the back panel.
Do you know what you're doing?
I'll try my best.
I hope it's something simple.
The belt looks loose.
Can you fix it?
I don't think so. The motor sounds bad.
Oh no.
It might need professional repair.
So we can't fix it ourselves?
No, it's more complicated than I thought.
All right. I'll call the maintenance service.
That's a good idea.
Hello, our washing machine isn't working.
Can you describe the problem?
Tell them it won't start.
It won't spin, and it makes a loud noise.
I see.
We can send a technician today.
That would be great.
He'll arrive within an hour.
Thank you very much.
Did they confirm?
Yes, someone is coming soon.
That's a relief.
I hope it's not expensive.
We'll see.
At least we tried. That must be the technician.
I'll open the door. Good afternoon. I'm here for the repair. Thanks for coming. Where is the machine?
It's in the bathroom.
When did the problem start? This morning. I'll take a look.
Please.
The motor is worn out. Is it serious? It needs a replacement part.
How much will it cost?
It's cheaper than buying a new one. That's good. It will take about 30 minutes.
No problem. Can we watch?
Can we watch? Sure. I'm removing the damaged part.
It looks complicated.
Now I'm installing the new motor. Thank you for explaining. Almost done.
I hope it works.
Okay, let's test it. All right. It's spinning again.
Finally.
The repair is successful.
That's wonderful. How much do we owe you?
Here is the invoice.
That's reasonable.
The machine should work fine now. Thank you for your help. You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.
Call us if you need anything.
What a stressful day.
But it's solved now.
Let's finally do the laundry.
Yes, before it breaks again.